Welcome to this presentation on Java programming, focusing on exception handling. I'm Mrs. N. Satyapriya, your guide for today. An exception is an unexpected event that occurs during program execution, affecting the flow of instructions and potentially causing the program to terminate abnormally. Exceptions can arise from various issues such as invalid user input, device failure, network connection loss, physical limitations, code errors, or attempting to open an unavailable file. To manage exceptions, Java provides several techniques including try-catch blocks, finally blocks, and the use of throw and throws keywords. Let's start with the try-catch block. Here's an example of a try-catch block in action. We attempt to divide a number by 0, which generates an exception. The catch block then handles this exception, allowing the program to continue running smoothly. The finally block in Java is always executed, regardless of whether an exception occurs. It is optional, but if used, there can only be one finally block per try block. In this example, we see the finally block in action. Even though an arithmetic exception is thrown, the finally block executes, ensuring that certain code runs no matter what. The throw keyword is used to explicitly throw a single exception, shifting the flow of the program from the try block to the catch block. The throws keyword indicates that a method can throw one or more exceptions. Here's an example of using the throw keyword. We attempt to divide by 0, explicitly throwing an arithmetic exception, which is then caught and handled. In this example, we declare that the findFile method can throw an IO exception. If the file specified does not exist, a file not found exception is thrown and handled by the main method. When we run the program, if the file does not exist, a file not found exception is thrown. The findFile method specifies that an IO exception can be thrown, and the main method handles this exception. The type of exceptions that may occur must be specified in the throws clause. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has provided you with a clear understanding of exception handling in Java.